Hello everyone, how are you all? What was I gonna say? Oh, Zapp and Roger. This album, Computer Love. If you never heard that song, then I suggest you listen to it because it is a beautiful song. Computer Love. Plug Power. What a lovely morning for Plug Power. It is up 7+% right now at $8.28 on news that it landed 3 5-megawatt electrolyzer projects with AG Limard, Hydro Harvard, and the Apex Group for the first ever use of industrial scale green hydrogen in glass manufacturing, aluminum recycling, and steel manufacturing processes. Plug is the only company offering 5 megawatt containerized, is that a word? PEM electrolyzers today. The standardized turnkey system with a production capacity of more than 2 tons per day reduces site construction costs and implementation complexity. That is quite beautiful. So, Plug Power, it was always a weird stock to me. I mean, it's not profitable by any means. Just on the chart, looking at it, the volume and the hype, the growth prospects of it, it's hard not to get in this company when it was in the $7 range. So, and even right now at $8.28, I mean, that's a beautiful, beautiful entry point for a company like Plug. Like I said, the fundamentals aren't there, but it's for the growth, and you can basically tell it's not really going to go below $7 a share. And if it does, it won't stay there. The hype will make the stock go up. So that's great news for Plug today. So let me know what y'all think, and have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.